Okay, I like the capoeira, the classes like the math and our story, learning about African history, and I like the tree class because I can learn different languages instead of learning one, and I was born with that language. And so I can communicate with people here instead of having to speak a different language that we don't understand.
Very good. What would you like to learn more of here at Abibifahodie Adesuabea?
Well, I want to learn more about like what plants would you take to like medicine or like entrepreneurship. I want to learn more of that.
Very good. And why do you think this school would be helpful for other children to come to? Why would you think other children should come here?
Well, it's a good school. We learn a lot of stuff. We learn capoeira moves, and we learn if someone tries to hurt you, you can hurt them back, and we learn how to say stuff in different languages, and we learned how to draw.
Very good. And what makes Abibifahodie Adesuabea special and unique?
Well, most schools you have to cut your hair, but this school it's kind of natural because it's not really learning about a lot of stuff that happened to the Europeans. It's learning about our stuff. That's why it's not his story, it's our story, and it's learning about our like slavery and Kemet instead of calling it Egypt.
Ayah dia dah asyik.